Hello, this is your host, Princess, for the YouTube account, Pink Pony 637, and I am going to show you my Webkinz house tour. Okay? Okay, over here. Right here. Right over here is my room. This is my room. I have this little cute little thing right there. And that's my bed, my Webkinz credit card, and my big Webkinz pen. My room. Over here is going to be my roommate's room. All she has is a nice cheetah bed. Let's go to the garage. Nice little pink car. Let's go to the bathroom. It's the bathroom. This is my roommate. That's my roommate. Her name is Bibi. Ah! What are you doing in here? I'm taking a bath, will ya? Sorry. And that's not all, but I can't show you all of it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This is my playroom. Our playroom. See, we have a big TV right here. And we have a cool waterfall that we can hang out in. If you can see the little textures, that can make you see. Oh no! It dropped on the laptop. Then our big baseball that we could play ball with. And that's our playroom. And our kitchen, animal crackers. That's for snack. Okay, that was all, and thanks for watching. Bye.